Hello, this is a video tour of 2001 Shoreline Boulevard. This building is located directly across the street from a spectacular beach. There is a volleyball net and centrally located. Okay, so this is the exterior of the building. You have a nicely kept garden up front. And this is what you see from the front door here. Okay, let's enter the building. There's a nice big lobby here, and this is where all the packages are delivered. Secured mailboxes are to the right. And right as you walk into this central area here, you have a nice lawn, swimming pool for the building. And the unit that we're going to be touring is just past this on this level, Unit 101. I'm going to show you the swimming pool towards the end of the tour. Okay, to the right here is the entrance to the unit. You do have a gate, and here's your front door, Unit 101. This unit has been freshly turned over. It's a lovely space. Nice big cloak closet right as you walk in to the right. To the left here is a very spacious bedroom. You have heating in each of the rooms. Nice big closet with mirrored sliding doors. I'll show you that in a minute. This also has a full bathroom attached. There's also a fan that sucks up all the moisture. And you have a nice deep closet here. This goes all the way back. Okay, the second bedroom is located across the way here. They're pretty equal in size. This one might be a tad smaller. This one does not have a bathroom, but you do have a nice big closet here as well. And the second bathroom is located just outside here to the left. Okay, you have a bathtub and shower combination with sliding glass door. Nice tall shower head. And there's also behind the door here a nice linen closet. Big, beautiful living room. You have vinyl flooring in here. There's also a little breakfast area just off the kitchen and sliding doors to your private patio. As you can see, it's very sizable. You can enter the patio from the living room as well as the kitchen. And here is the kitchen. You have a stainless refrigerator, stovetop, there's your oven and dishwasher. Okay, now I'm going to show you the laundry room and where the parking is located. And then we're going to conclude this tour once I take you to the swimming pool and lounge area. Okay, so here we are on the back side of the building. Trash, recycling, and composting is located over here. And here's the parking for the building. And you get one spot included with it. Okay, down this hall just a little bit to the left is one of the laundry rooms. This one has 2 sets, washer and 2 dryers. Just outside the laundry room is access to the swimming pool, and you also have access from the other side as well. Okay, if you're interested in this magnificent space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.